Hey y'all, well, I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my refrigerator. I have got mostly all the old food out. Y'all ain't finna be talking about me. Some stuff you can't show now. But it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad. But how I clean my refrigerator out, I get all the old food out. You know, I throw away all the old food. And look at that top wasn't even on. These doggone churn. These churn, man. There's barely anything in there. That'll be going to the trash. So I clean. Get everything out. I don't even know where that thing went at. Set that to the side. That light is gonna keep blinking on and off. I got the door open. But I get all this out. Cause all that got to be washed down. Y'all excuse me. I do have a cold that I've been trying to get rid of. Okay, so I got everything out. And then I take my racks out and I put them in the sink and I wash these racks. Got my soapy water here with my Dawn and my Clorox bleach. Some people say it's easy to do this. Put it in the tub. I wouldn't feel comfortable. When you finish cleaning the placemats, you can get them from the dollar store and sit them on there. And you know, peeling all through the refrigerator. I'm going to continue to wash all my racks. I'll be back in the second part. Okay, you guys, I also took that bottom shelf off and I washed and cleaned that in the Clorox and Dawn. And now I'm gonna wash this out. And take this tube. Now I'm gonna come out. These little shelves come off. So you can wash those. Water all up in there. Those kids have jelly and barbecue sauce and all kinds of stuff. clothes. Definitely want to wash that handle off because people constantly touch that. Get some bleach on that. Everything out, honey. And I'm gonna sweep and mop my floor. So you see me shaking the rag. I'm gonna sweep and mop my floor. So I'm hard to clean the kitchen. I remember when we was younger, we had to clean everything in the kitchen. I mean, we had to do microwave. We had to clear off everything on the counter. We had to wipe everything. Like my mom had like containers. Lord, I remember those containers she used to have with the grease in it. And I know y'all know what I'm talking about. She would have chicken grease in one, pork chop grease in one. We used to have to move all that off the counter, wipe the counter down. Get in and wash this down. Already washing it. Already washed the top part. I didn't record that part, but I washed the top part.
Let's watch the furniture. Why is the furniture going?
And both of my children are home. I think I already said that. I might have said it on another video, but both of them are home. I done used too much bleach. You know how you use too much bleach? Go on now. I like my stuff to be clean though. Get in now. That's stained. She busting awesome. Go ahead. Walk by. You gotta excuse the noise.
Didn't mean to do that.
This bottom one right here, I don't think this one can get me in trouble. There you go. Look, it's gonna latch back on. Have to wash all that off. See that it got soda all in it. These kids, man. Make sure you all that. I'm gonna wash that off. I'm gonna dissect all this. I've been dissecting this whole refrigerator. I done took the whole refrigerator apart. And I'm gonna do the, look at that. I don't know what that is. It got stuff on here. Like some yogurt or something. It got stuff on here. That's why I like to take that rack off. See what's behind it. You don't take them off, you'll be stuck. Caked up stuff on your refrigerator. Get that right off. That bleach and that doggone Dawn will do it every time. Clean up under there. Yeah, they done waste yogurt or something down there. You got to make sure your stuff stay clean, especially when you got small kids. Get that rag back in the bleaching water. Make sure you wash that off. They be touching that. Constantly going in and out the refrigerator. Okay. Now I'm going to start putting everything back in here. Alright, y'all. Start putting my racks back in here. Okay, y'all. So that's the bottom part of the refrigerator. Cleaned out. It's the bottom part, and that light gonna keep going on and off unless the door is open. I'm about to go grocery shopping, so I don't think I'm gonna put anything back in there but the butter and the cheese. Butter and the cheese is everything, the yogurt. Probably meal. Salad dressing. Everything else can go in the trash. But that's how I clean my bottom part out. Now I'm going to do the top part. Okay, you guys, I already started taking some of the stuff out. Freezer. Look at all that. That's dirty up there. You know, I take everything out. Take everything out. See what you're working with. Take my little shells off. Wash those. Okay. And I'll be back. I almost forgot I was making a video. I hadn't started cleaning, y'all. But anyway, after I finish washing my little shelves off, I just come in here and do basically what I did to the bottom. Get my rag and start washing. Y'all gotta excuse that noise because the kids are outside and they're playing and they're being loud, right? I gotta excuse them. They get a little bit over excited when they play. I think they playing hide and seek or hiding the toys, and I think Major cheat as usual. Major be peeking and looking. You're supposed to have your eyes closed when she hiding. You're not supposed to look, Major. Oh, okay. Close your eyes then. Wait till she finish. And this is basically what I do. Same thing to the bottom. Dip your rag in the soapy and bleaching water. And get the wiping. Make sure you get them handles. So everybody touch it. Make sure you get some bleach up in there. You should wipe that off every day anyway. Because people are constantly going, well, whoever lives with you is constantly going in and out of the refrigerator. Y'all got, excuse me, I got a cold. Hate having a cold. Now clean this out. Clean the top part out. Rub that really good. pretty much it, because I don't have no ice maker or nothing in this freezer. What my last refrigerator did, but this little rinky-dink thing, but I thank God for it. At least we got one. Somebody probably sitting around with no refrigerator right now. So I thank God for it. I just clean in here really good. Make sure it's clean. I'm about to fill this bad boy up. Yeah. I do this all the time, like, well, you know, when I go grocery shopping, I like to make sure everything is clean. That way when you come back and you're putting a new food in there, you ain't got to do so much. Double work yourself. Make sure that's clean real good. Piece of tape right there. See, these kids. Then I'm going to put my shelves back in that I took out. I don't know if y'all shelves come off, but most of them should come off. Some people don't even know it comes off. Y'all better be out there playing nice. Play nice. Do it that way. Even though I washed it, I always wipe over it again. It's just a habit I got. Put the shells back. Something came off my hand. Oh boy. Okay. And then I start to put back the food that I want. I'll put it back in here and organize it. And I'll be back to show y'all that. But that's the freezer part cleaned out. Clean the shelves. It's all cleaned out. And start putting food back in. Okay, so that's the refrigerator all cleaned out. And about to go grocery shopping. So I'll be taking y'all grocery shopping with me today. So don't be talking about, well, ain't nothing in the refrigerator. Ain't nothing in there. We're going grocery shopping today, so you guys. That's pretty much it. That's how I clean my refrigerator. And I'll see you guys at the grocery store, because we're going to go grocery shopping today. And thanks for watching, you guys. Being patient with me. See you at the grocery store.